Dear friends, so today our first lectures on wills, wills and testacy, administration of a state. That's the longest name among all the substantive law and practice areas. And today with me there's Matt Quinning, one of our
Hi, everybody.
tutors and a solicitor of England and Wales. Matt, what do you think about this area of law in general terms for those who are preparing for the SQ2, for the SQ1?
Yes, well, I think it's quite a technical part of the exam. So although there's not much content in terms of what needs to be revised, it can be really complex and difficult at times. So I would recommend that it doesn't get neglected because it's obviously part of the exam, and you really want to make the best out of it. So just don't neglect it. It's not because it's wrong that it's not difficult. It is a bit difficult.
I completely agree, and it actually goes side by side with the law of trust, and we already started our SQE preparation with the law of trust in particular, so people are already acquainted with many concepts. In today's lecture, in the first lecture, we are going to cover, in general terms, wills. So obviously there are two ways to inherit. You can inherit via a will, which is a separate document, and by means of intestacy rules, if there's no will or on some reason will is invalid. So we are going to cover wills, validity, structure, implied rules, revocation, alterations, gift, value of a gift, and class gift, and value of the class gifts. So that's the topics for the wills. Then intestacy, order of entitlement, some examples of statutory trust and other issues. And finally, we will cover post-death variations. That is a situation or maybe different ways, in different ways, this variation may happen when it's possible to change either the will or intestacy rules due to some options available in law. So coming back to the next lecture, we will cover such thing as grant is someone who is in charge of the state should obtain some sort of permission from the court to be personal representative of their state. Then we will cover administration, duties and powers and liability of trustees. We will cover inheritance tax as well, and you would have to read some extra things about that. And on the next lecture, we will try, my friends, to consider multiple choice questions very briefly. With the view of having this multiple choice questions next time, we will send you a brief article for you to understand the structure of the actual multiple choice questions, because it's very specific. It's a very specific way how it's built up. So let's move to our first